class is?
Compound interest. Compound interest is interest that calculated on both original or principal value and on accumulated past interest.
Annuity. Annuity is a series of equal payments made at an equal interval of time.
Case study 1. Maria, a talented artist, won first place in a reality show competition and received a Rm 300,000 prize. She decided to invest most of his winning in a financial institution, earning 3.35% interest compounded monthly, setting aside a portion for personal life. Her goal is to use the investment income to open his own art gallery. After 7 years, his investment is worth Rm 250,594 and 51 cents. These are the information that are taken out for the problem solving. A. How much of a prize money did Maria initially invest? First of all, we need to find the I and the N. I is equals to K over M. I is equals to 0.0335 over 12 and N is equals to MT. N is equals to 12 times 7. N is equals to 84. The equation we are using here is S is equals to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N. We will insert all the information to the equation. Now, we're going to solve all the right-hand side part. We will get P, open bracket 1.00279167 close bracket to the power of 84. We continue this case with solving the right-hand side part and transfer them to the left-hand side part. Now, to find P, we will divide 250,594.51 divided with 1.263863482. And our final answer will be Rm 198,276 and 57 cents. B. What was the accumulated interest over the 7-year period? Now that we have the P, we can easily do this question. I is equal to S minus P. So our final answer is Rm 52,317 and 94 cents. C. How long did it take for Maria to earn Rm 300,000 from her initial investment? In this question, we are trying to find the T. First of all, we need to find the I and the N. The equation we are using in this question remain the same from the last equation. Now, we're going to transfer the P to the left-hand side and at the same time, we're going to solve the 1 plus 0.0279. We will get 1.513038 equals to open bracket 1.00279 close bracket to the power of 12t. Now to solve the t, we have to bring the 12t to the front and put log on both sides. Now that we have log 1.513038 equals to 12t log 1.00279, we're going to divide both log together and we will get 12t equals to 148.6369. We're going to transfer the 12 to the right hand side to be divided with 148.6369 and we will get t equals to 12.38 as our final answer. D. What nominal rate compounded quarterly would result in the 5 years period to earn Rm 300,000? Hence, find the periodic rate of the investment. First of all, let's take out all the information we have, which is the I and the N. The equation we're using here remain the same from the last equation. We're going to transfer the P to the left-hand side to be divided with S. And we shall get 1.513038 equals to open bracket 1 plus k over 4 close bracket to the power of 20. Next, we're going to transfer the 20 to the left-hand side and become the 20th root of 1.513038 equals to 1 plus k over 4. We will get 1.0209 equals to 1 plus k over 4. Now we're going to replace 1.0209 to the right hand side and k over 4 to the left hand side. K over 4 is equal to 0.0209. Now we're going to bring up the 4 to the right hand side and multiply it with 0.0209. And our final answer for the k is 0.0836 or 8.36% and I is 0.0209. These are all the information that are taken out for all the question in case study 2.
Study 2 question 1. Vida deposited Rm 15,000 in an account that pays 5% compounded quarterly. 5 years later, she withdrew all her savings to pay a down payment on the purchase of a shop lot costing Rm 150,000. The balance is to be settled through equal monthly payment for the next 8 years at an interest rate of 6.5% compounded monthly. Calculate the value of the monthly payment. The problem here is we have to find the future value S and the monthly payment R. amount at the end of 5 years. First, we need to find I equals 2k over m. I equals 0.05 divided 4. The answer for I is 0.0125. Then we need to find n. Is n equals empty? N equals 4 multiplied 5. The answer for n is 20. Using the future value equation of compounded interest, S equals to 15,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.0125 close bracket to the power of 20. We're going to solve all this together. The answer for future value is Rm 90,230.56. Next, we have to find the A. So A equals the cost of shop lot minus S. A equals 150,000 minus 19,230.56. The answer for A is Rm 130,769.44. Next, we have to find the I and n. I equals to 0.065 over 12 and n equals to 96. We use present value formula is A equals R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket minus n over I close bracket. Now we're going to solve on the right hand side part. For the left side, 130,769.44 and the right side equals R open bracket 0.4046446 over open bracket 0.065 over 12 close bracket. Left side 130,769.44 and for the right side equals 74.7036 R. The final answer is Rm 1750.51.
Case study 2, question 2. Izul planned to purchase an apartment that cost 158,000. He had to pay a 10% down payment. A. If he deposit Rm 1,178 and 4 cents every 3 months in an account that paid interest of 8% compounded quarterly to cover the down payment, how many payments would he make? The problem in this question we are trying to find is the new future value, which is S, and to find how many payments to make, which is N. So first we're gonna find the new future value, which is Rm 158,000 times 0.1. So we're gonna get Rm 15,800. I is equals to 0.02. To find the new future value, we need to use a formula R open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of n minus 1 over I close bracket. We're going to transfer the R to the left hand side to be divided by 1,178 and 4 cents. At the same time, we will solve the 1 plus 0.02. Now we're going to transfer the right hand side to left hand side and it's become 1.02 n equals 1.26824. To solve the n, we will put log on both sides and divided them together. We will get n equals to 11.99. It's approximately equal to 12.
Question 2b. Izul took a loan to pay the balance of the cost of the apartment. The loan was for 25 years and was to be paid monthly at a 6% compounded monthly rate. B1, find the monthly payment for the loan. First, we need to find A. So, A equals cost of the apartment minus S new. And the answer is Rm 142,200. I equals to 0.005 and equals 300. Then we use present value formula is A equals R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket minus n over I close bracket. We will get 142,200 equal 155.2 R. So the final answer of R is Rm 960.23.
B2. If Izul missed his 5-month payment, how much should he pay on his 6th payment? Our new n is 6. To solve this question, we will use the future value equation of annuity. Then S equals to 916 and 23 cents, open bracket 0.03037751 divided by 0.005 close bracket. S equals to 916 and 23 cents, open bracket 6.075502 close bracket. So the final answer of S is Rm 5,566 and 55 cents.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye.